Endomembrane system is a group of membranes and organelles that modify, package and transport molecules in and out of the cell. Here we can see the components. This does not include mitochondria or peroxisomes. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubules and sacs that modify proteins and produce lipids. There are two types, rough and smooth EOR. The rough EOR is so called because it is studded with ribosomes. Ribosomes make proteins. Some proteins are transferred into the EOR while others remain in its membrane. Inside the EOR, proteins are modified and then sent to cellular membranes or secreted from the cell. They are packaged into vesicles and shipped to the Golgi. The rough EOR also makes phospholipids for cellular membranes. The smooth EOR is continuous with the rough EOR but has no ribosomes. It synthesizes carbohydrates, lipids and steroids, detoxifies and stores calcium ions. After vesicles bud from the EOR, where do they go? Well, lipids and proteins need to be sorted, packaged and tagged so that they are sent to the right place. This occurs in the Golgi or shipping center of the cell. The receiving side is the cis face and the opposite is the trans face. Vesicles travel from the EOR to the cis face, bind with it and empty into the lumen. Lipids and proteins may undergo more modifications here. Finally, they are sorted and packaged into vesicles budding from the trans face. Some vesicles deliver molecules to parts of the cell, such as the lysosome. Others fuse with the cell membrane, delivering proteins needed there or secreting proteins out of the cell. The lysosome is an organelle containing digestive enzymes. It acts as the organelle recycling plant of an animal cell, breaking down old structures so molecules can be reused. Lysosomes also digest foreign particles brought into the cell. An example of this is phagocytosis. White blood cells called macrophages engulf pathogens by folding their membranes inwards. The phagosome fuses with the lysosome, forming a compartment where enzymes destroy the pathogen. We must also refer to the cell membrane as part of the endomembrane system because vesicles do not only transport materials within the cell, but also to and from the cell membrane by endocytosis and exocytosis. Large molecules are moved by vesicles in endocytosis and exocytosis. Endocytosis is taking things into the cells by forming a vesicle from the cell membrane. This vesicle may then fuse with other types of vesicle called endosomes and lysosomes. Exocytosis is secretion by fusion of a vesicle with the cell membrane. Thanks for listening.